Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make red enchiladas. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Alright guys, this is some of the ingredients that we're going to use today. So we have 7 chile guajillos, 3 chile ancho, and then we have half of a cinnamon stick. We have 3 garlic cloves, and here we have 2 tablespoons of flour. And some of the spices that we're going to use are going to be chicken bouillon. We have ground cumin, oregano leaves, salt and pepper to taste. And then we have 4 cups of chicken broth that we're going to use. And then we're also going to use corn tortillas and fry them with vegetable oil. So after our chiles have been soaking in water, they are now hydrated. And we're going to add them to the blender. Okay, now that it's nice and blended, we're going to move it over to our pan. We're going to cook it for about, I would say about 10-15 minutes. Alrighty, so we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So we'll get that ready, and now we're going to heat up this pan. I kind of have it medium to low, and then we're going to pour some vegetable oil. Let that heat up for a little bit. This is where we're gonna put the enchiladas, so I'm just gonna pour some red sauce at the bottom so we can pour the tortillas on top. Just a little bit. Alrighty, I have my chicken here. I literally just bought a rotisserie chicken and just shredded it up at home just to make my life easier. Right here. All right, now that it's heated up, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tortilla and start frying it. You don't need to fry it for too long. I just do for a couple seconds on each side. There we go. All right, that's good. Grab this and dip it in the enchilada sauce. Perfect. Put that here. And then we're just gonna add some chicken to it. There we go. Ooh, that is hot. We're gonna roll it up and put it in the pan. There we go. Now we're just gonna repeat the process. All right, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna do 5 of them. Sammy, go over there. Whoops. You guys like this video, I'll give them more treats. I don't know. Okay, buddy, we'll get you one. Alright guys, now time for the taste test. I added some Mexican rice to the side because I think they pair really well together, so stay tuned on a tutorial on how to make Mexican rice in the future. Alright, let's dig in. Okay. smells so good. Gotta get some lettuce in there. Oh wow, that's really good. The rice is good too. Thank you guys so much for watching.